My name is Rob Thurman. I'm the CFO of Lincoln Associates. I've been with Lincoln Associates for 17 years now. I've got a degree in mechanical engineering technology from Southern Tech. I really enjoy the coil market. I find that there's a lot of problems there that I have solutions to that have worked out in numerous applications that have really helped out the owner. One problem that I see a lot is I'll have a contractor or an owner call me out to a job site and to measure up a replacement coil. I'll get into the air handler, start looking at the coil, and everything mechanically looks perfectly fine. There doesn't seem to be a busted coil, they're not leaking, and I learned that the coils are plugged. After just a short analysis, I have determined that the fin structure, the fin geometry that has been used in this coil is the culprit. A lot of OEMs will use a lanced fin geometry. And these fins are easily identified by separating a couple of fins apart, and you can see a small slit in that surface. On paper, that fin geometry looks beautiful. The problem is that you cannot clean them out. That design does not allow easy cleanability. So I redesigned the coil with a different fin geometry to allow better cleanability. The thing that makes me and Lincoln Associates different is how we handle the order once we receive it. When I get an order on a coil, I physically go to that air handler and I climb inside, do whatever it takes. If they've got it pulled, that's great, but I physically put my hands on that coil. I measure the overall physical dimensions, but more importantly, I look at the circuit, I look at the fin geometry, I look at the fin spacing, I look at the connection locations. There are many different options available in circuit designs, and you need to make sure that you go back with exactly what you have to replace that coil, or possibly make an improvement by changing that fluid circuit or fin geometry. In my territory, I cover the Middle Tennessee through Eastern Tennessee region. So that's Nashville all the way through Tri-Cities in Tennessee. I also have several accounts in Georgia. I cover mainly the 75 corridor north of Atlanta, and have a handful of accounts around Atlanta. My cell phone number is 770-861-1185.